You've heard of Pompeii, but do you know the eruption that made the sky scream? In 1883, a volcano called Krakatoa exploded with such fury it destroyed an island, killed tens of thousands, and shattered sound records heard over 3,000 miles away. But here's something to think about. Why did this eruption affect the entire world, not just Indonesia? This wasn't just lava and ash. It unleashed a shockwave that circled the globe 7 times, turned sunsets blood red for months, and dropped Earth's temperature for years. Here's the scary part. Krakatoa isn't alone. It's part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, where over 75% of Earth's volcanoes live. So the real question is, if one volcano could do all that, what happens when the next big one wakes up?